Alright, going for a little early morning POV drive. Open the garage behind us there. I'll wait for that to open up, then get this bad boy started. Open the door a little bit here. Heck yeah. God, it sounds so good. Brand new exhaust on here now. I'm so happy. Borla Attic exhaust. We're just gonna go for like a little drive here. Let's throw this in the sport mode real quick. Sport Plus. I love it. This thing gets more burbos low RPM than it does high RPM, but it's also no downpipe yet and no tune. So for stock, sounds pretty good in my opinion. I'll take this out of Sport Plus. We'll go back to comfort here. That's a really nice neighborhood. Jeez. I think we should go through it. Wow. This thing sounds nutty at low RPM more than it does at high RPM, but so when I'm going like 60 miles an hour, you can't even really hear it. But watch when I turn this corner, you'll hear it for sure. Ready? Kind of. That's somewhat decent. Dude, these houses are insane. I wish I lived in that. Are you kidding me? Yeah, see, it wouldn't make pops and bangs if I had burbles on and if I had to them, but I don't. So, but man, what a nice little coasting ride. There's some nice houses. Holy crap. I guess we can go straight, right? Or do we want to see nicer houses? I think we want to see nicer houses. Not simple little ones. I mean, these are still really nice houses. Holy crap. Sheesh. Back off, Tesla. We don't want your electricity here. We want combustion. Damn, these are some nice houses too. Fuck. Where am I even at? Oh my god. These are massive houses. What the actual... So much for a drive POV. This is just real estate look around. Holy fuck. Man, it must be nice to have two fucking houses like that. Same lot. Jeez. Wouldn't it be nice? You know, all these houses, no joke, are, wow, class of 2020. Imagine being that rich and child. These houses, no joke, are probably $2 million at least. Each one of these. Wow. What